How to use Sitly Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Sitly is a platform for finding babysitters and caregivers. Beginners often make mistakes that cost safety and convenience. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They skip thorough profile checks. The surprising truth is that Sitly provides verified profiles and reviews, but ignoring them can lead to unreliable matches. Always check references and reviews before contacting a sitter. Another mistake is not communicating expectations clearly. Sitly allows messaging before hiring. Clarifying duties, schedules, and pay upfront prevents misunderstandings. Many users also underestimate the importance of trial meetings. Scheduling a short trial session helps you gauge compatibility and trust before committing long-term. Finally, beginners often forget to set secure payment methods. Sitly recommends safe, documented payments. Ignoring this can result in payment disputes or loss. In conclusion, using Sitly properly means reviewing profiles thoroughly, communicating expectations clearly, arranging trial meetings, and using secure payment methods. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a safe and positive experience for both parents and caregivers.